All right, guys. Here. Before I get to the hate mail, more hate mail, I want to show off more free clothes unboxing. Basically, well, my coworker gave you some more clothes this time for a lady. So let's check it out. We got this clothes here. Okay, there's this nice carrier with a scarf and these two trash bags. Big old white trash bags, kitchen trash bags. This one first. Yeah. Let's check with it. Anyhow, so basically, he asked if I had a sister, you know, and so I said, I do. So he's like, okay, I'll get clothes for her too. But yeah, clothes for other people. Yeah, so we have here a nice dress. Oh my goodness, sleeveless. Oh my goodness, wow. Hmm. Here, there's definitely a perfumey smell coming from these bags, right? That's nice, dude. We got these leggings. Well, leggings there. Yeah. Anything that we don't give that doesn't work for my sister or whoever. A nice little skirt, just a little shirt, just a little pair of shorts here. We can give away. They go to a thrift store, you can handle that. Another pair of shorts. Yeah. Shorts there. And what is this? Very tight skirt or something. My goodness, silver inside here. Very small shirt. Now, some of the stuff my sister may actually be able to wear. She is one of the smaller side. Yeah, yeah. It's like some sort of weird tanky toppy. Not a tank top. No. Definitely. Oh, yeah, yeah. You got the small size. But yeah, we got the long, dip, like a little neck there. Good little neckline there. Let's see. Another pair of small shorts there. Yep. Lots of shorts. Lots of shorts. Shorts hanging up. And yep. Leggings. These things that happen is we're going to wash them all. We're going to wash them and then we're going to give away what we need to give away. You have this kind of interesting backless dress here. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Well, that wasn't a bug that was on. Backless dress. Right. We have some more shorts. Shorts. We have this very large thing here. Oh, it's a dress. Yes, it is a dress. Nice. Nice dress there. Thank you. Shoes. Sparkly evening wear shoes. Good for me on town, and also not fun for any loser who wants to try and grab a hold of a girl because yeah, these heels yeah, can be very dangerous weapons. So yeah, these heels can be very dangerous weapons. If girls like, yeah, no, heck no. So yep. You want to just check yourself before you wreck yourself. That's what you want to do. Unless you're real good with those. You want to do that. I do not know from personal experience, and I never will. Unless I have no choice. She tries to attack me because of some misunderstanding. And I go, yeah, I have a sweater of some kind here. Like, interesting little sweater. It's like very short. Yeah, the dress. That looks good. Yeah, it looks like a dress. Yeah, it's a dress. Mm-hmm. Sweater. Another very short sweater. Long sleeves. Nice. Mid-dress sweater. This Nike looking shirt here. Very nice, very nice. Nope. Whatever we want, yeah, I can. What we'll do is it's a kind of a top, some sort of top. Again, if my sister don't want it, then she can give it. I can give stuff away. She can give stuff away. We can give stuff away. Interesting style. Shoulder pads in here. Back of this is the back of it. Yeah. It's the front here. Interesting. One. It's a long sleeve shirt here. Not sponsored. Not sponsored. Foodology. Long sleeve shirt here. Another Foodology. Wait. Another Foodology. Thank you. These are like work clothes. Work clothes, I guess. T-shirt. Little heart pattern on there. Nice. A little tank. This is a tank top. Tank top with Trinity bra. Right here. Yeah. It's a tank top, I think, or a Trinity bra. I don't know exactly, but it's very, very well, there. Very small t-shirt as well. Perhaps my niece can wear some of this stuff. It's small enough. Yeah. Very small thing. Interesting. Got this. Yeah, there you go. Look at that straps. I don't know. Very small. Disney. Disney one. No sponsored. Yeah. Mickey Mouse in there. Yeah, Mickey Mouse right there. Yeah. Disney t-shirt. Size small. Into that bag. Yeah. This one. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. We have an issue with our luggage carrier. There we go. I have this other one. A little more time left. Let's use it. A black shirt here. Plain black shirt. This black and white shirt here. Tank it top. How's the shirt? Number 80. I don't know. Jeans. Lots of jeans. Girls' jeans. Skinny jeans. Very interesting jeans. More jeans. Lots of buttons. Yeah. Lots of jeans there. Very nice. Unfortunately, probably it's a bit small for me, but but yeah, he said it was for a girl. So yeah. Oh, and yeah, these guys here, white jeans, very nice. But these guys are interesting. Got the studded pattern on them. Whoa, studs on the back too. Interesting. Go on. Yeah, this one. Oh, there are these guys. Yeah. Those holes in them. Yeah. Continue on, please. You have this. Well, they leather multiple little buttons on these little guys. These little jeans. Wranglers. Levi's. Levi's. Okay. Strawberry jeans. Strawberry jeans, eh? Look at those. Very nice, very nice. Oh. Yeah, it's like 3 in the morning, so yeah, after this I think I'm gonna go to bed. I got these little guys here. For a young girl, probably 12, 13 years old, I'd say. Definitely. She's getting around that age, so yeah. She might like those. She might actually go for those. This shirt here actually looks like what I could wear. I think. Maybe not. It looks pretty good. Not very much my size. It's the Calvin Klein double extra large. Oh yeah. I guess I could wear it. We got this guy here. Hollister. Cut off jean shorts there. Interesting. Holes in them. Yeah. These are pretty good things here. A skirt. Is it a skirt or just a skirt? Maybe a skirt. You have the inner layer here. Got an inner layer in here. Mesh layer. You see the mesh? I don't know if you can see the mesh. Show off the mesh a bit. The mesh. You got this thing here. Right there. Interesting. Looks like a tank top. Looks like something Akuma would wear. Street Fighter. Akuma just saying it. You know, he has a dress shirt. Little thing is there too. Very nice. Get in there. Nice shorts there for the ladies. Definitely. Yes. A bra. Very nice. Bra indeed. Yes. The bra, black one. Bra. In you go. Calvin Klein bra. Sporty bra. Very good for the girls. They have a sporty bra. Very nice. You go to the porch. Yeah. Looks kind of bra-like type of thing. Could be unfortunately the bra. A guy like this, a little one like this. Tanky top bra, I think. Yeah, we got this nice big old small hoodie for a small person. Like a young girl, I'd say. Got a hood. Got to do it. Flannel style. Got these blankets, baby blankets. Oof. Hey. Up. Where plug it? Okay. With my foot. Come here. There you go. I'll plug the light with my foot. Baby blanket. Here, very cute. Very nice. One. Another baby blanket. Nice. One. And the last item is underwear. These be panties. Black panties. Definitely panties. Definitely panties. Yeah. Clay. Pea. Yeah. Good ones for the girls. Yes, definitely. Yeah, okay. No, my favorite. Okay. I did for those clothes. That bag here. Now I'm going to show off this guy here. This is a luggage carrier I got. I live at a Walmart or a Target. Walmart or Target for around $30. 30, $40. Not a bad deal. Middle of the road guy. So I'll see you guys next time. Check me out on YouTube, DVR.